very close to home. Been sitting in the tree with a big cavity screeching away. I think that's a male. We've had fox, roebuck, numerous hedgehogs. We won't have even gone 1 kilometre from our front door. And you've a council estate on it. Old mining town. It's the same across the country. People are too lazy to get out. Come on, Melly. Back to civilization. Well, in the loosest term of the word. Come on.